Before this video starts, I just want to quickly say that a lot of footage got corrupted and a lot went wrong while making this video, but I've done my absolute best to get the footage I had and try and make a video out of it. And guys, I think it's turned out pretty well, so here's the video. So firstly, let's have a look at the box, guys. So first of all, you can see a nice big image of the product itself, which is very important when you're trying to sell a mousepad, I guess, because you want to show off every little bit of detail you can, and also it shows all the LEDs lit up, which looks kind of cool, except for it's not actually that bright in real life, sadly. Another sad thing about this product is that it does not even come with a mouse. Like, Razer could have easily chucked in the cheapest Razer mouse they have, how much you actually pay for this thing, which is quite expensive. Also, the box has a nice kind of like matte black finish, and it does look very nice and feel very nice. Razer always has the best packaging and the best products. Anyway guys, let's get to the back of the box and see what's on the back. So guys, we're on the back of the box right now, and I really like the back because it gives you lots of information, like what computers it works on, what it doesn't work on. Also tells you like the platform on the surface of the mousepad, tells you about the RGB LEDs on the side and how to program those, and it is just really nice. Also, it has some images, and the images are very well done, like they are done professionally, and it looks very nice. But then again, we expect no less from Razer. Razer is a very good company. Now guys, let's go and unbox it. When you open the box, you get greeted with a very nice letter by Razer themselves, which is just saying thank you for, well, buying the product and joining the Razer army, I suppose, and also a few links to their social media. So that's kind of nice, you know, they put a little letter in there saying thank you. That's very nice. Then we are greeted with the actual product itself, and it was really big in real life. On camera it doesn't look as big, but really big. Got the nice Razer logo, and it all glows up, which is nice. Now if we just flip this over, we'll be able to see all the cabling and a bit more. So you can see there the stickers, the book, and the cabling, and the cabling is a bit of a mess because I had to put it back in, like rebox it for the video, and I couldn't box it well. There are the stickers with a nice rainbow finish on them. Also we get a nice little book with it, which tells us everything about the product and the software, which is very handy. So guys, that was the Firefly mousepad, and it's a very good mousepad. It all glows with what I say, it looks amazing, it feels amazing, and it's amazing quality. So I give this 10 out of 10. The reason I give it full marks is because it looks good, the box looks good, it feels good, and it acts good. Everything is good on it. So that's why it's got a 10 out of 10, guys, and that's going to be rare how I give out 10 out of 10s, but this one I just felt like it was such a good mousepad, and it just done me well. It's just done amazing, actually, that it's definitely getting a 10 out of 10. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you go down below and click on the Instagram link and follow me on Instagram. I'm following back, and make sure you share my channel with your family and friends for all their techie needs, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye!